Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have made a puppet show. To make a puppet, you have to stick the face onto the finger roll and see, our finger puppet is ready. For the background, I made this rice painting. It's made by sticking rice onto the paper. During this activity, I learned art and crafts, storytelling, and how to make finger puppets. It's show time! These animals are sitting under this tree. The lion roars loudly and says that this lockdown is so good for us. People are living inside their homes. Air pollution and noise pollution has reduced. But suddenly the frog says, "Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Oh, the king of the jungle, I have one important news for you. Corona vaccine has come. All the humans will start coming out. Pollution will again increase." Suddenly there was a big silence. But the elephant says that human beings are smart and intelligent. They must have learned a lesson to stop the pollution. Hearing this, the animals become very happy and start dancing. This is the end of my puppet show. Thank you.